Creating beautiful holiday bows doesn't have to be intimidating. Today I'm going to show you how to easily create bows for your holiday decor using ribbon from RAZ Imports. For this bow, it's best to use a wired ribbon. First, pull a small amount of ribbon from the spool. This first loop determines the size of your bow and the length of your tails. Make a pinch pleat to secure the first loop and repeat for a second loop. Then tightly twist the ribbon so the front faces up. Continue to make loops. This bow has 8 loops. Pull additional ribbon out to make the second tail. Then wrap a piece of floral wire around all the pleats and tightly twist the wire to secure the loops. Fluff and shape the loops and then cut a V into the tail. Now you're ready to add your bow to a wreath and hang it over your mantel, or add a bow to your banister or your Christmas tree. Creating a cheerful and stylish home for the holidays is easy with RAZ Imports. For more design tips, go to razimports.com.